Hey y'all, I kind of got ahead of you a little bit. I'm without a computer. My desktop is getting worked on. It was all botched up, so it's in the shop getting worked on. And I can't load videos up, so it's February 21st. I took this the part off the model probably 2 days ago. And it was just like I said. I took the magic marker and marked the line on the best I could, center of the bottom, and of course center of the top. You want to stay as close to center, and as you don't want it going way past center, or else it'll be hard to get it off. Went ahead and cut it with the cutoff wheel, cut it loose. Took the sander here and hit the top edge where we trimmed it off on this bit, and then put the scraper down in between the two. Made sure we had separation, blew compressed air in there, blew compressed air in either side as best we could. It popped loose. We got our fingers in here and just yanked either side right off. And you can see, although she's made of cardboard with some resin on her with welding rod inside, no damage done to this thing at all. So it came right off really easy. I started working on fitting the radiator end of this thing, the opening up, to fit the radiator itself. Obviously, it was a little cattywampus. It wasn't straight, flat, and square because we had some trim edge hanging off there. But that's it. Got it fitted up. We cut the bottom a little bit, as you can see there. The relief on the front side. We'll show you on this aluminum bit right here. This face here, we cut that. Cut that back a little so it's going to fit. See how it fits right up in there real nice, just like we planned it. As you can see down there's a little gap there, and that's from the temperature. Like I was telling you in the other videos, this is polyester resin, and it doesn't like the cold, and so we need to boost that up, and we'll do that with a paint stick. We're going to cut about 2-inch pieces of these paint sticks off and glue them across this transition, just to make sure it stays in place. Then we'll grind about 1 inch or so wide on top and bottom, and we'll re-glass that in and to make it one piece, and to promote this thing to staying flat instead of bowing down like that. We'll glue a piece on edge on the inside, and force it flat and straight. Then when we glue it back together and it kicks off and hardens up, God willing, it'll stay there. It'll stay that way. It doesn't really matter because we're gonna lay glass from this surface up and over the aluminum anyway, right? Just like we were talking in that other video. We're gonna lay glass. You can see what we're gonna do. We're gonna come up that face, across the top, and around the back, just to fit that aluminum piece. That way it'll come on and snap into place, right? And then we'll actually put more glass on the bottom on that face down there, right? And then what we'll do is we'll put fasteners of some type in there, like we'll put some rivet nuts through the aluminum. We'll drill, I think what I got is quarter inch, 10/28 or something is the pitch. So we'll drill 3 or 4 of them in here, right? And then, bore the hole into this Teflon as well. We could probably tap the Teflon too. I know we can drill and tap that stuff too, but I'm worried about tightening it down and the vibration at the racetrack, pulling those threads loose. Then the thing will have a mind of its own, and we don't want that. So you'll probably just put some rib nuts right into the face of that aluminum there. And then, we'll lay the glass first, drill the holes, and then we'll have a way to mount the thing on. It'll be snapped on the top, bolt, little miniature button head bolts on the bottom that you won't even be able to see, and she'll be good to go. Hoping to get that all done, and hoping to gain enough interest on the internet with the fellas to get a test day going in April. Right now, we got nobody. I mean, we got nobody's. We got half a handful of people that said that are regulars that said I'm in. So yeah, we got work to do. We're going to get back at it, folks. We'll bring you some more in a while. God bless y'all.